Hey guys, I'm Emma from Tastemade.
And I'm Austin from Tastemade.
Today we are cooking something.
We don't exactly know. Whatever we're cooking is under these towels. All right, so we've got ham, cheese,
spinach,
some salt and pepper.
That makes me really scared for what's under here.
I don't...
You should just do it.
Just go for it.
Ready? Oh my god!
What is it?
It's not, I thought it was an avocado for a split second, and it's not an avocado. It's an egg.
Is it real?
It's gotta be real, otherwise we would just be
I know,
making
but it's so pretty. It looks fake.
It literally looks fake. No, it's real. It's got like liquid in it. It sloshes. Oh my god. It's not a, the big ones are...
It's not an ostrich
It's not
egg.
an ostrich
no,
egg.
what eggs are green?
An emu egg? Oh my
Seen?
god. An emu egg. So we're making an emu egg
Omelet?
An omelette?
We have 10 minutes to use this.
I can't even make a normal omelet in 10 minutes.
I can't make an omelet. So what should we crack it on?
Do we try just doing like the normal?
We can. All right.
Okay.
We got it.
Oh my god.
That's
like,
not making
not
it dead.
doing anything. We get.
Oh, there you go. Okay, wait. See, we're almost there.
Yeah, almost there. Got dust.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
You did it! Wow!
That's huge!
That's so crazy looking! That's the biggest yolk I've ever seen. To put that in like whisk it?
How much do you think we need?
I don't know, like a solid like flop. Pretty.
It's gorgeous.
It's so thick!
Should we start throwing in the ham?
Probably
and
the ham first?
Yeah.
Like, oh my god, this is like all yolk. I'm like understanding how people on cooking shows feel for the first time, because something as simple as an omelet becomes so...
Impossible?
How does this look?
I think that looks pretty good.
It's so goopy. I just won't even find an emu egg.
The internet, Amazon.
This is so pretty.
I know. Look at the color and the texture on it.
That's wild. It's like a dragon.
Looks like a jade egg. Okay, should we pour it in?
Yeah. Alright.
That's a lot of egg.
You want to like scoop out any of that?
Yep.
And for an omelet, we gotta let it like
Gotta like get it
chill
all
out.
in. So do we move it around and then let some egg through?
Yeah, I think, gosh, all my omelets turn into scrambles because I can't keep them together, so.
Do you know how to flip it is the question.
We have to flip the whole thing?
Yeah, you gotta cook the other side.
For some reason I thought that like it'll just happen. Boy, okay, that's probably what this is for.
Yeah.
Aren't you supposed to, isn't there like a chef move where they
Yeah,
can like...
do you want to try that? Oh, it's getting there. It's getting there. Okay.
We're not stressed.
I think we're about ready. Here,
Feeling a little more solid.
just flip it. Oh, you started to. Okay.
I should have given that more strength, but I
But it's
started
okay, ready?
losing it.
We'll just flatten it out.
Just smoosh it.
Because it'll all cook, right?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Just, we'll keep telling ourselves
Should
that.
we add some cheese?
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
We put it in the center.
And then you can like, isn't the French way they kind of like roll it like on both sides?
Oh, they roll it? I thought you just
sort
like...
of like, not rolled, but just like gently folded
We could do that.
on both sides.
Look at that.
Yeah, get that little egg white. I think this side is the prettier side, so we should roll like that part.
I think you're
towards
totally
us.
right. We got it. We got it.
Like this.
Lift it, and we're gonna kind of slide it onto here.
All right.
There you go. And we'll fold
Oh,
it. Look
that
at
turned
that.
out pretty good.
Look at that. We did it. We made
That looks nice.
a French emu omelet.
With a little bit of ham and spinach.
A little salt on top,
nicely,
too.
Yeah, nicely seasoned with some cheese.
Yeah.
So,
Where are you going?
oh, it's cheesy. There's an omelet.
Yeah. It tastes no different.
It's just kind of a big, you know,
I kind of want another bite.
it's a little mess, but the ham tastes good.
It tastes really good.